In this video I am going to show you the trend trading strategy. The trading indicator that we gonna use in this video is the extreme trend indicator. Extreme trend indicator will let us know what is the trend of the market. This indicator will give you a buy or sell signal with blue and yellow color arrows above or below the candles. We also gonna use an exponential moving average indicator with a period of 200 as our second confirmation indicator. By using this EMA confirmation, we have a bigger chance of our trade to go right. Now first let's see how to add this indicator on trading. The first step, open your trading chart and next click the indicator menu at the top. After that, in the search, write down extreme trend. Click on that indicator. Go to indicator setting on the top left and change the color of 200 EMA to blue. After that, your trading chart will look like this. After you install this indicator. Now I will explain the entry and the exit rule of this strategy. First I will explain the buy entry rules. In the first step, make sure the chart is above the 200 moving average. When you see blue arrow or buy signal below the candle, you can place a buy order and place your stop loss on the last swing low of the market. Then place a take profit position 1.5 times greater than your stop loss. Now let's see how this trade goes. After waiting for a while, it went successful and touched take profit target. Let me show you another buy example, and after that I'll show you some sell trade examples. As you can see here, the price is above 200-day moving average. And the blue arrow buy signal appears below the candle. So we will place our trade here and put the stop loss below the last swing low of the price. Then place a take profit position 1.5 times greater than your stop loss. Now let's see how this trade goes. After waiting for a while, it went successful and touched take profit target. Now I will explain the sell entry rules. In the first step, make sure the candles are below the 200-day moving average. When you see orange arrow or sell signal above the candle, you can place a sell order and place your stop loss order on the last swing high of the market. Then place a take profit order 1.5 times greater than your stop loss. Now let's see how this trade goes. After waiting for a while, it went successful and touched take profit target. Let me show you another sell example. As you can see here, the price is below 200-day moving average. And the orange arrow buy signal appears above the candle. So we will place our trade here. And put the stop loss above the last swing high of the price. Then place a take profit position 1.5 times greater than your stop loss. Now let's see how this trade turns out. After waiting for a while, it touched take profit target. Now let's talk about some tips. When you want to use the extreme trend trading indicator, even if the extreme trend indicator has a good win rate, the strategy still have a loss trade. Please manage your trade size with your account balance. I advise you to keep backtesting independently to see how this strategy works in markets or on different trading time frames. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you experience when using our trading strategy. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. So this is it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.